uboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho murigaria bwe Ensoko TV, karibu sana yene mesa ya maiya kurwa Ensoko chinsa isato chidageka inyechoka chia butukire tugosabu kwa berase okonyorwake ntara kumanya senchira yobo ikirano ari ene kiwe ngo konyoria sense moya kabere nkwane abene obotuko bwarero tuchigosanga nere Nelson Matoke Shujaa uyu ore humurwandu bekergo kyobwe MCS ward ya Kitutu Central egotoka sense moya bunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii kumurekera manga yuarenge tubora bwage siasa monabasa na nemono enyorenga hasa matukabwango gabasa babere bakubwatira ni gwase chiburaburu au chene kiwe aseme sangekano ya siasa nemona sense media ya Kiombuto chikokwandra yo negatia yanda mange to mama boli ago ne kerengerio kyago aseme tandao itekerero Facebook na YouTube na Ensoko TV wasase metandao ya ne una Clinton Ndigi mesema yakuro Ensoko chinsa isato achakira bwana.
I find that the prosecution has failed to establish a prima facie case against either the first accused or the second accused.
Oyo kabeire hamonagari bwe bunge county ya Kisii David Kombo ruseri wa mamocho ne kigambiro ya Kisii maiga yoko borobo site voice ine.
Ogana problem lero we have never been a Kitutu than we are part of Nyamira County. Tero mo wana rwanda uje kinyinge sana.
Okuboria niko kwa rure go chia se county ya Nyamira go tabarusia abagetutu ase birogo byoborai bwe county ya Nyamira.
Igona basaye ba minto. Tiga gotumeka senga kiye talirenga kiye kwachorire gotumeka nabanda.
Abasaye basabiro gwetanga kuru ase chibura buru ase mesangerekano ya gisiasa. Karibu sana mwancho murigeria bono hasenchira bene tugocha kana robot rokubwatia abasaye baburiwe gutigana chibura buru na kobeka na kubwatira na kwenekia kobeka omorembe ayo na mangana yo oyo okuriya hekerogo kyobo jumbe hasense moye bunge ya Kibra igase county ya Nairobi enkwane yo nigo ya chire chingaki abarai na Kenya bagendrete ko wikira chibura buru echo cyabere chikwene kiwa semega ya matanga na boigo hemesangerekano ya siasa muri kito de bora mwenesi agotumanyia senchira yobwikirano
na kende nkeyo kiragerenga gusene chibese chigere chisalyo bomo bwito bunabagusi chibese nkoli kitoli lakini obuna intwe kabira yabagusinga kitoko bamo obomo bwito na uburagere tutwale sauti esauti enere ragere esikwe so nje nale kubate bunabagusi baminto toicheamo tobelibo ere limo
abasaye baboliwe gotiga gotumekwa n'abana siasa kolenta chiburuburu nabo igogo iteramanyinga semesangerekano okuno kobolia korwase mokaye mobe oyo kobolia ekerogo kyobo bunge ase constituency ya Kibrahime yomocho Nairobi
inamura asangie miaka murako ngabandi nabake lakini nali kubabolia abasaye obugambi mbotagete kumwaga amanyinga woko mwaga amanyinga gwasalira mpaka enyumba y'abana bawo amanyinga yawo chakoleta ebintu mpaka abana bawo bacha guchandika tulero obugambi bwo ichama bunabagusi tobwatana mo bunabagusi toteberera ni munanga kyonye matiyangi tobwati matiyangi tororenga kitoko genda bunabagusi lakini tali yogo itana ngoli omundu totogo itana gusema tiyange itego toire mutwe bunabagusi togende bunabagusi abagusi tiga tuikaranse amo ase shidere twebolinga eshide yeito bunabagusi ngaito konye tatua
enkwana ya mokaya nigo yakira amatuka make aitire magega yechiburuburu kwene kiwa sensemo ya Kiombu ekyo chalentero montoyo mogosirio bogima asebono aruro kobolia gocha sabarai gocha amo na kobeka omorembe
na aligere iria sama tukaya buna last week intwara romo gutano ulio bera gusiari na arolira abantu abagusi togo itana intu abagusi amangana guni simu abeira ase viongozi itogo kemea sana kwa mugusi bwo itomugusi koruchi sokoro nechi sokoria okuno kolete mechanda ase kenyoro buna intu abagambi bagusi igo ikatutwara maono tumanye ng'abantu togo chikogambi kutokongoza n'abagusi n'echindugu chaitu n'abasubati baminto abamama abamagukuru ntogotaka torete esegi igoro n'obugambi tutagete obumba okoba bugambi ntuna abagusi ikoruka rero tutagete tobwatane tobege ntekemo kabantu echance kero omonto akwane giatagete abagambi bonsi baiche babatebie ekibatagete inumo bwate ebirengereri buna abagusi mwamuwe ng'ansaidi kimokogenda ekiagera goika toligereri buna abagusi ng'a inchere kitokogenda iratokonya enseye goika totware ebirengereri ntokogenda ase tokoumia togenda ase tomayete ng'aki aiga no togokonyeka gose abanto baita abagusi goika bakonyeke
chingaki echo nigarura okoboria gochiasa abamenyi ba Kibra komosira ase eganga yaye yokorwanirira obobunge bw'ensemo eyo ase abaenekeirie gochia korenta amagenderero anene mono gotinya oborendi obo bore obo base ensemo eyo
bono ase amang'ana buna abantu Kibira omaete na Islam n'abantu baro omaene maisha ale mari n'amakong'u omaete amaisha nara gokora abantu baenda gokora crime bono nakinatebire muna inche ntegete gwansera ebichana tumanye kwa equip na skills nkiba bwenete gokora ekiaero omonto okoba busy tagosanga injera yogochi gokora crime egento kerororo nkelinga entubu n'ebiongozi mbinto kitokobekera abana aba banyare koros chibesa ase emebuke yabo erinde baru ese crime na kebire ese tokogenda bono no ne generation buna bono mwarora no na maandamano aya elirabere mwanya korora kebira ng'abantu bachiro ekiara entubu n'ebiongozi ngokwana nda radio kera lituko etogotebie ebijana ng'aki ebijana njira teyora umwe serikali ng'anerego erago change ya maisha ao nayo we change serikali ebintu mbiro ebwenerete ekore nayo manyanga nayo bwenete bweto mabuna mwanya bantu omanya go change ya maisha ao so etogotebie bijana go change ya maisha go ikotware skills dasimo some omanya go obe plumber obe carpenter obo muntu okorosi nini obo gosona na nini skills ye jinaitiragere omenye Nairobi tokomenya Nairobi onye tobwate skills eyewe chencho chakobo moibi kosobo mugente so muna ncho mugambi egento manyete ng'angosoa intete ng'ekwipia bana abana skills bagotwara skills bonsi nimaete no enkebira goikebo mufano tari yaiga kibiroka Nairobi ekoba Kenya ngimeko mufano kiara lazima tunye change
kolibota ligetaseni gya nsoko elietalia nende bora mwenesi
Maiga yogo ikiwabo siobwe kegambero ne kiombe gyokurwania obokurumikia EACC hasama mo tumeki obobe bwabisi nigo bono homona chibina homona nebwe kegambero gya Kisii Bernard Mwanza abwatokire hoyo kabero monogeri bwe bunge ya Kisii David Kombo na mamochaye gotuguterware kaokwana homona chibina hoyo omonene Bernard nigo bono ainekia buna bosaiti bonde tibware ngororo igoro ya mamochayo mwakili George Murara hamona Andrew Kombo nigo bono bago keiro kona chuko na koira ndiye kegambero mbu yamona soko enekia kubwatoka oboene muri kito Petwell Machini agotumanya senchele wikirana
Amagombo no mwichana nigo bwasane kwene kigwa imenkeyemo mekinyore Kenya misaro tuwe ward yabochi barabwe bunge ya machogo barabwe county ya Kisii maiga
nigo yabo mweso monene gochaso yokabiro monogeri bwe bunge ya county ya Kisii Moske David Kombo yemega yikambero gya Kisii inse yomonachebi no monene Dr. Bernard Mwanza kyamubwatokire Kombo oyegetuwa sikambere kyo ne kyombe gya EACC asamo chebutumikyo bwa bisi myaka ebere ya etire
Staff recruitment was guided by laid down procedures and national government guidelines.
Omoske Kombo nigabwatetwe asinga yae memocho Nairobi na koretwa wekasi kambere kyo ya Kisii asaswere na mocha yombarabale no mokonyi bomorikiwe bunge ya Kisii amachabono atuguterware mambier chikoria rero asoko borobo riboisine gosireki nekyo.
The Republic versus SG 2022 I find that the prosecution has failed to establish a prima facie case against either the first accused or the second accused. Pursuant to Section 210 of the Criminal Procedure Code, I accordingly find that both accused persons have no case to answer and that are hereby acquitted of the charge. The cash paid be released to the depositors as prayed.
Kaokwa na sama wachika mbere kyo Kisii asina chiyo nigomona chebina Dr. Mwanza atebire na bwana mbuyo wa isaine asama chayo bekiretwe na igo kubwato kwa sensema yae David Kombo nigo akwandira na barikia mangana maya na kwira manambi ya soko mulwandira kubwa iki nekyo.
All I can say is one, I want to thank my God I thank God because the truth has at least been brought up. I want to thank my lawyers. The two lawyers did a wonderful job. They did a wonderful job by at least bringing it before the court that I have never, and I will not want to commit any crime, let alone one which will give me any benefits. So this was a case brought up because of some people wanted me prosecuted, but God is God.
Baigase nseme ya wakiri bae Omoske David Kombo wakora nere George Morara wakuma nere Andrew Kombo oyoro mwanoe nigo barokire mogokobo asoko bwekinekyo na igoko giakire kambere kyomnambuya asoko ro bwenda gocha Somoske Kombo.
It is a victory for the legal team that has religiously and diligently prosecuted this matter. The evidence that was presented did not meet the threshold of convicting or finding Mzee to have a case to answer before a court of law. Trumped up judges. The evidential capacity, the documents that were presented did not link the former Speaker Mzee Kombo, or rather they did not bring him near the scene of the same crime that the anti-corruption alleged.
He is one of the most humble people that I know. He is one of the most religious people that I know. Because I have lived with him, I have seen what he does. All this that was happening in court, which was started by EACC.
Kuripoteria Nsoko TV kurasika mbere kenagia kisi nchenkuru kwa Pethuel Machin.
Maiga yenyomba yoboraro bwe school ya secondary ya St Paul Sigonga koya nigo bono abo bisabe kyomba ya DCI bacha kirobotuki erigo chia koene kia hege korekyo na boigo koene kingi kire tomoro ikobwata mokonyi bo county commissioner Okisi South Grace Auma niga ene kiribu na bor ko batano na babere nigo banya tako baba gutigerwa chingo machinke na boigo no muroro omore emeroberi ya botambe kanyar koba hege kogendra muri kito Frida Kirubo na mange.
Obotuko bogokiera rero nige nyomba yobora yeskuru ya secondary ya St Paul Sigonga yabage kuya kolengana no mokonyi bo county commissioner Okisi South Grace Auma nigo aenekia aborokigwa babweterana na babwatani bo kulimia omulero kurwa se county ya Nyamira na koeneke buna bayolimirie.
Yeah, we are here following yesterday's arson. There was a dormitory that was partially burned or set on fire, but the students managed to bring the fire down. The fire brigade from Nyamira was also here yesterday, and it is something that was manageable. So the students were able to settle and sleep, and this morning we are meeting here at stakeholders because the parents were also interested to see whether their children were hurt or not.
Voigo niga nekebuna aborokiwa kianda banyora chingoma nigo banyoro bogwenya na kuirana eskuru nonya nabo niga nekia obotukigo cha kigwa bene elio kumanya ikikirerete omulero gotiboka.
7 casualties, 9. All the 9 were brought back. They went to the local dispensary here and they were treated and stable. They are all back in school. We are following on the arson. We are waiting. The DCI is on it, and we will soon get if it was electrical fault or it involved maybe a student or if there was an outsider. So that we leave it to the DCI.
Abaiboli nigo bancherwa korora abana babo elio kwenekia obolendi oboikiranu boigo nigo batwara okuigwana asoko kolege ikaro kya bene litkoria Jumatano eikigocha elio gosonsora emechando
So we have met the parents. They have come and they insisted on seeing their children. They have seen them and they are assured that they are safe. We have also assured them that all is well with us. We are taking charge. So we have agreed to have an AGM next week on Wednesday. so that the parents can also share their grievances, if any. We have already heard from the students, and they have all been addressed.
Nigo bono baenekia korenta omorokio monene omuya ase skuru eyo. Maiga yokoba ase geka kebwate omorokio monene ntenenera.
Today we are also installing the new principal because there has been a while without a substantive principal, and maybe that is why there was the challenges. So we are sure this is the last time Igonga is burning. We have brought it to an end. So all the stakeholders are here, the board is here, the security team is here, the Director Education and TSC are all present. So out of this, we are very sure we are going to get there.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.
Enivo yechibesa chinyinge nigo ya yeme yesukuru yaba muranya mache igotoka se bunge abo basi county ya Kisii hobutko bogo kera rero maiga yomorero gwate kahime yesukuru yo na gosamba oboraro obuko muki aborko we 52 abayibori besukuru yo nigo baikira na chinsa chama mbia se sukuru yo yeri komanya na gosaba imirobirio egend enyara ko bakomanywa buna aborko abo bare chinga kicho gwate ka komorero yo ondeta yo nyara ko bakagotigerwa chingo machinde chionsi asa abayibori bakwanirwa nabo basabe chisembe sub-county ya Nyamache na kuhira na sechinka chiabo. Utu kiwa chakiwe, eliko manyaninki Kenya tukoba geko ene kiwa. Mwori kitua Polinari Sakama na mange.
Nase skulu ya igayaba mura ya Nyamache, iye kutoka se bunge ya bobasi county ya Kisii. Aiga nigo tukomerana negati ebintu ebibiyete bunemeito ebitanda byo korarera kisanduki amo nebinde binge. Oburaro bwiga bwabamura obubwayete niga bokoimokya borokigwa 52 obukinga kiboko yaniga borokigwa barenge birasime bagosoma. Abayibori abo babwato obwo bobonene nigo baikira ne mambia ase skuru yo elikorora buna abana babo mbuya bare.
Igo na ikire igaiga ese skuru ya Nyamache asa abana bagosoma paka n'abacukuru iyakiete ekababo bekwa patibaya
etwanyora teri batu butukonge skuru ya yire abayibori twaboka mambi kunaka yo mabona ikasa 11
ekara twakire igaiga twarorera yegokumya ebitabu gabiyete ekisanduki kiyete kikaba yusuresi
asumo basokano yonde tayo onyarte gakumya gusikonyora chingoma chinde chonsi chinga kya bayiboli banyara bagokwanerwa na kogenda ase chinga cyabo asebo igobutuki bwacha kigwere komanyanki kererete omorero yugwateka ana wewe leo na abago tumeku Inkuripota irigeta Senigi Ensoko TV korwa se skuru yabamura ya Nyamache yugo toka se bunge ya bubasi county ya Kisii ncherieta na Polinaris akama.
Tokoska usio mwanchumo rigereria ase oroboti rokobwatia nigo bono oyo okorie kergo kyobra ibwense gwetera se kyamagia PPP oyo kabiro mwaziri oteneta obwera ni bwa mangana yekerero Eliudo walo niga aburya bananchi banyara ko baba komosira abo igasarire irabuna nsio bra ibwaye abakenya mbali go chikonyara ko bakonyora obokongo muri kitoli net nyambane namange.
PPP. PPP. Today, I officially announce that I intend to seek the presidency of the Republic of Kenya on the People's Prosperity Party ticket.
Gukwana maega yogosyoria ekiamagia People's Prosperity Party Eliud Owalo oyo kabeire omwaziri o ICT otebire goika achekoba etebe asobochori borebosyo ase amochirie serikali na goteba nonye ense ya Kenya kebwate obosibore bwe byama ebinge nigo eserikali egendrete kubaunereria abakenya ase bari bakwamereria eserikali bakwenyora ase akongu.
Rebelled against despotism, corruption, misrule and systematic impoverishment. And this led to the reforms of the 1990s, which restored multi-party democracy. This is the transition from single-party dictatorship to multi-party democracy. And that was the second liberation. Yet 63 years after independence, good people, shared prosperity, freedom from want and dignity for all remains unfulfilled because equal prosperity is not in the interest of career politicians and their crony capitalist networks. Those who benefit from cheap labor, cheap raw materials, faulty value chains, and a disparate electorate will not surrender the status quo easily. A poor and disparate voter is also easier to divide, bribe, and manipulate. And to remove Kenyans from this yoke and shackles of poverty.
Walo nigo atebire ekiamekyo na kikerachi kwa abakenya obosibore obubatanya konyora ase egeka egetambe.
The ideology of the party is distributive social democracy, that we need to facilitate equitable distribution of wealth for all Kenyans. Let us take wealth from the hands of a few select ruling elite and distribute it to the grassroots where the majority of Kenyans are. That is the ideology of the party. It just requires basic economics. Why is it that people don't have money in the pocket? It's because of a punitive taxation regime. We are dealing with a tax regime that does not recognize the level of disposable income of the people. You do not need to increase the level of taxes to raise more revenue.
Nigo amochirie serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ase atebire yakabesire chisira chinyinge na chibese chyo nigo chigosirera ase mebuko y'abakurumi.
The next thing that my government will address, good people, is the issue of debt. Public debt. Public debt, in my view, should not become the private pain for individual Kenyans. Today we are repaying debt, which was borrowed long time ago, perhaps by previous generations. Yet, if you do a proper soul searching, you may not lay your hands on any tangible benefits, tangible projects that have been financed by the public debt, the borrowed money, for the benefit of Kenyans. It goes into projects which are skewed to benefit a few individuals in power. And that is something that we must fix. So what do we need to do? Once elected as President of the Republic of Kenya, I will institute a forensic audit on all previous debt so that Kenyans can get to know who borrowed the money, what the money was utilized for, and whether or not that money was utilized for the good of all Kenyans. Today, we are dealing with a situation where somebody steals from the national government, then he runs to the countryside and now tells the people, I want to be governor, I want to be MP. These are not people who should be leaders anywhere. They should be candidates for committee maximum prison.
Koripoteria Ensoko TV, erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Toska busyo mwanchumo rigereria kubwatekana nebikore byabere bikone kiwasama tukabwanga gasaba sae babere bakubwateranirwa ase chiburaburu ase mesangerkano au nigo bono igatia barayi babere bagwesokia na kugendera komochia ebikore byo ase abasae basabirwe tibanyara ko baba gotume kwabobe erikorenta chiburaburu
Tutete gokana mang'ana akoreka kiumbu amang'ana ario tukoyaragereria ase erieta ria Yesu na kimagoteba igo ntutageti amang'ana aria yokuna kuburukania na gosegesa omogusi igo tumanyetekanete buna abantu bomorembe abantu bobomo abantu bamasikania manene naende twariganire karo yomo asogosanga asogosabere ense yeito na kubuga mono korento bomo
asamarieta nengongoro kwa Honorable Ezekia Ogendi Arasa ninjorio yomo bo kurwanerere kerwe ke kyobo chumbe kya West Mogirango constituency abara ibaite gento kyo kanale ko basaba kitokwenda ase ground onde bwensi kero muntu nabwate party yae ago changia igo kero muntu gachira aria tigato mwari baga otegerera tomotegerere tali tugochaka kurigia bamura twachaka kufuruga ase mekutano igo nabasaye baminto tiga gotumeka esenga kie tali erenga kie kwachorire gotumeka n'abantu aba aso kororo koirube no bwate right yo gokani omuntu yo mataina ango nsirie ore teli wiya korora omuntu minga goiterigwa amanyinga gosogo goiterio omuntu mina amanyinga komoira bakalira baise negento gete kyo bakongo sana igo basaye baminte round yeye akitika torandi omorembe tigatutware siasa cyomorembe ntotwara siasa cyokorwana cyo goitarania amanyinga
nje Father Evans Nyabwari Mititi omusasiroti omonene otenede parish yake kano nje muno omusasiroti na minto twachire gaiga tore familia ya moya Nyasaye no ngembali ba kurutarigena n'abana b'Nyasaye barenge ase okomenya kwabo sense mbuya to kana manganaria ekera manganaria gusare familia oba gusi oba Nairobi oba Ndonsi igore se familia ya moya Kenya rendo bogima boyo mino na renda ebintu byaba mino ekyayo kuna gukorangirwa wakero yo mwito ngotara torekerase rero ntore gusi mambindoro Mombasa mambindo kale Doret nabo otorasa ribosani wa maminto Ndonsi stogotara elinde tosikane
Aso korro mwanchomo rigereria ababwatani be location ya Tombe utoka se ward ya Manga bunge ya Kitutu Masabe county ya Nyamira niko baesokire na kuruko boria gucha saba mwabo kwenekia ngo esoke bare erigo siro yo mwabo korige kerego kyo bo MC se ward yo ya Manga aseba tebire asege getambe niko bona location yo ya Tombe ya bereke gosira bara ikuru ase chi location chinde koba abarai na bona ni chinga kina barobabu atu okoboko gochikoira ubara ya soba chori bari bosio mwaka ogocha
Njengoro ku Bernard no ibongerande ngero kurura asabantu baba buri na Manga ward ngima. One thing I want to tell them, asabantu bali batamanyi Daniel Rina is one person urwanerete ebintu bikorkunga Village Polytechnic. I have practical examples mora chororo mora ebintu biroro aretete as an institution lakini karana igwetenga nkuburi ari chikura. I was very happy bintu byabakora tatagiti abantu baba buri unarwachire nkaga igare yaro ko muendozi more ready konyoro mugambi abakorere gas wanchira atakorere gas
ekara twachire kurara rigereri asaba gambia babara tugambire twarorire ngoyo minto Daniel narwa mwabo nandika turangire tuchikomoa ikerogeke tiganya sato konye na nera mwe chinguru amwe neri baga erinde eri anyarako baga gutugambire gekogera Daniel asaba abantu bali baraba ororo nanda bakanyeku nero yomo
igamagania lionsi pia yu abantu bamanga konya batagete twanyorire nga nere oyomo obo asibalia bale bawo chikobolie biroge ebiga obabuete Tombe location intwanya gotwara murayo nde bwensi ogotoegerera ali ase county matukonsi pitwabeire tokorugo chiase chi location ya chichinde chitobebekaine ono iga muna korutombega iga twamwire ase liogi elimo tosoki oyo minto oyomo
Mbia mono soko ngali bageri nchendani lino nateba ndenare ngo muklak Nyamira na bero myaka 12 na ndembwate experience ke isaine koswa mangana siasa una nateba rero na gira chuthiri ku public service ono siasa ngosoa mange yenta tokosoa insoko nyoro ko bwate siwa nimbwate gento kego suguma na bongo chenje bintu biro chipara chiaro se tuka itana ko sigwa njira nenchirosi amacha itakwa mesa kwa meto na nya macha mange ne bisima byonsi na biro bimbiro siborunge egento kenanyo rekere kenene ebintu byeto kwa nyambi keno ne budget omuntu gweba ko bibwati enare sinta to reri bageri ko twabigire nte budget una parliament ya Nyamira anaki bwati baka narari yakoriki yakorekanire njenda to gwasho bantu bamwanga kanda nyori baga bantu bamanga wikankorera gasi
Mancho murigeria abono toika homwerio haso kumanyaria nekiwa semesema yakurwa ensoko chinsa isato kurende hase egeka igo kerebosio ngo so atura senkwana yeito ya beno botko bware runa nachika ukomanya omogenito obotko bwarero no mwishimiwa Nelson Matoke huyo manyakaine buna shuja orineganga yokorigie kerogo kyobo MCA hase ward ya Kitutu Central igotoka sense moyo bunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii asobotko bwarero turache komurikero boraibwa siasa amona basaya nemona matukabwango gabasaya babere bakomochiwa asoko bwatiraniwa nechibura bure chabera semesangerekano au hanemono ya siasa tuchiko sangana komanya amara ningekegendrate nabo igo hemerobire gwenta kobekwa abasaya kwegendaria se enchira ire engia semitandao itekerero Facebook na YouTube buna Ensoko TV tomekerengere kiago ribodi riago tokorana se kagetere getambe koso atura senkwana itase enchira ben.
Eye Ensoko TV. Uboro